Just as love fills the emptiness in your heart, Optima Insulation fills the void in your walls. In its basic form, it combines a special fabric and fiberglass. Many sellers claim that it's the best option out there. This insulation is non-flammable, moisture-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and doesn't sag. Plus, it outperforms felt counterparts by 68% in terms of efficiency. Who wouldn't want to cut down on heating and cooling costs? Moreover, your space will not only stay comfortably warm or cool, but you'll also enjoy added peace and quiet. Depending on the insulation thickness, sound transmission class can improve by 4 to 10 points. In some cases, this muffles normal conversations completely. A new construction universe is here, and GMC Solutions is at its core. This company makes modules for building extensions, from adding a bedroom to a house to expanding a hotel. Customers get to choose the interior and exterior. The modules are made quite fast, usually within a couple of weeks. What's interesting is that the price includes 2 layers of insulation. The first is mineral wool, and the second is YBS Super Quilt, which has multifoil. This helps reduce heat loss by 83%. When the module is delivered, it can be installed so quickly that it can be connected to the power grid on the same day. This method of expanding buildings also produces an average of 83% less waste compared to traditional methods. Zipwall Dust Barrier is handy for both simple paint jobs and more complex restorations. This system can be set up in minutes, without ladders, and it will keep dust at bay. One of its great features is its adaptability. Need to reach high ceilings? No worries, you can extend the poles up to 6 meters. Short-staffed? Not an issue. Often one worker can install the system. Want an eco-friendly option? Dust Barrier offers reusable fabric curtains instead of plastic film. And on top of all that, the system's pretty compact. 4 barrier supports reaching up to 3 meters high and 9 meters wide, along with the bag, weigh just 4.3 kilograms. Isolex offers an interesting and patented solution for enhancing floors. Here's how it works. Start by placing the polymer formwork modules, then pour the concrete. The result? A well-ventilated floor that accommodates cables, pipes, and more without any hassle. Plus, the second floor can be 2.5 meters higher than the first. Installing Isolex is pretty speedy. A 2-person team can manage about 20 cubic meters per hour. Plus, these floors are a good option if keeping the structure's weight down is crucial, as aerated concrete can also be used. AIS Insulation is so impressive that it's been adopted in Japan, a company renowned for its expertise in modern technology. Japanese experts opted to incorporate this insulation into a floating production, storage, and offloading unit. Why is AIS so effective? Because it slashes energy losses from boilers and other equipment by 95%, making it 3 times more efficient than many alternatives. Plus, AIS insulation is 70% quicker to install. Additionally, the company has developed a program for assessing energy usage and CO2 emissions. These benefits clearly justify the Japanese decision. Among the many siding options we've shown you over the years, this Cedar Impressions product truly shines. It's coated with the use of innovative technology, giving it a natural, uneven color, just like real wood. But there's more to it. Using improved paint blends, manufacturers have achieved a remarkably realistic aged wood appearance. It gives the impression of a house with years of history, where the panels have naturally changed color over time. Available in various sizes, such as 1.85-meter panels, it's ideal for smaller homes. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, adding to its appeal. While the building's exterior gets a makeover, you can create new interior spaces. Here are some modular walls and partitions for that job. First up is Madam Wall. These blocks are like oversized Lego bricks. No need for screws, glue, or even permits. The only downside is that Madam Wall maxes out at 1.8 meters in height. However, it adds an extra layer of interest. If you want floor-to-ceiling coverage, there's another option called Junu. It installs 7 times faster than similar products and provides 30% better noise protection. Assembling Junu is like solving a jigsaw puzzle, and just like Madam Wall, you can do it yourself. These builders are opting for PCO Solutions. Currently, they're fitting hollow sections that enable them to create reinforced concrete columns reaching up to 12 meters in height. These sections come fully prefabricated to the site. Crafted from steel, they can endure considerable loads even before pouring the concrete. If needed, these columns work seamlessly with delta beam composite beams. Their standout feature is the ability to weld or bolt them together. Plus, special spacers ensure precise height adjustments. Thanks to the professionals who installed the MrPEX Systems, this Manhattan dealership no longer struggles with snow on its roof. Their work is truly commendable, as the pipes of this system alone stretch about 11 kilometers long. These pipes circulate a mixture of water and glycol, heating the roof to melt snow and ice. Control can be managed by a computer, which monitors precipitation and roof temperature. To heat the solution, recovery systems from local cogeneration plants come in handy. By the way, last year, the United States set a snowfall record, with over 12 meters of snow falling in California. It makes you wonder how MrPEX Systems sales are doing in that state. In our twist on the classic tale, one of the 3 little pigs built a sturdy straw house that even the wolf couldn't blow down. Then, that little pig went on to start selling Ecococon blocks, which is fiction, of course, but the blocks are very real. You might think this mix of straw, wood, and membrane is nothing special, but the secret lies in the patented installation technology. The straw is compressed to 120 kilograms per cubic meter, and the standard block thickness is 40 centimeters. With this material, you can build not just a hut, but also a building up to 6 stories high. Plus, you'll enjoy protection from wolves and a perfect microclimate all year round. These small houses are used as guard stations or sleeping quarters. In Germany, for instance, a container house from CarMod was used for coronavirus testing. Makers often opt for a standard 6 and 12 meter containers as a base, yet more advanced options are gaining popularity too. For instance, K-Home has designed houses so compact that the details for 11 houses fit in a 6 meter container. Meanwhile, Sanwa prefab technology installs sandwich panels in its quick-build houses, taking just 24 hours to assemble them. Decorative concrete might sound a bit hefty, but not with the Deco system. This concrete is twice as lightweight as regular concrete, making it easier to create panels without needing to overhaul the whole house. There's a variety of sizes available, like these 2.4 meter long panels. Plus, they're easy to cut and can be installed using nails. These panels come in multiple colors, so the end result doesn't have to resemble a bunker. What's more, they've introduced 3D textures to give customers a preview of the final look. And since the panels have a standard thickness of 1.3 centimeters, they don't take up much space and are perfect for smaller apartments. Parryup cladding acts as protective shields for scaffolding. They serve a dual purpose, shielding workers from the sun, wind and rain, while also minimizing the impact of noise, dust and falling hazards like fasteners on passers-by. Moreover, the panels boast high resistance to fire and break-ins thanks to special doors added by the makers. When combined with a special tarpaulin, the panels can double as a massive advertising banner. Interestingly, the same company also offers scaffolding, an all-around practical business approach. The traditional MFOR reinforcing mesh is available in pieces slightly over 3 meters long. It's compact and easy to transport. However, sometimes this length falls short, requiring overlapping of the mesh. Numerous connections like this aren't very practical. That's why the team at MFOR has introduced MFOR Compact, which comes in a 30-meter roll. It's made of stainless steel and comes in 2 versions: Compact I for interior work and Compact E for exterior walls, facades and masonry in wet conditions. The SeeThrough XS is a portable GPR scanner used for locating voids, cables, rebar, plastic and steel pipes, mesh and other objects in concrete. This helps prevent workers from accidentally damaging pipes, for example. With the smallest and lightest antenna on the market, weighing only 450 grams, the SeeThrough XS scans up to a meter deep and displays data on a tablet. Using patented software, it generates a real-time 3D image, simplifying the process. Additionally, during client meetings, detailed scan reports can be easily presented, complete with images, sketches, and charts. Stone-strong blocks are designed to last a lifetime, claim the makers. We're eager to see how they've backed up this claim. This company offers customers the option to build retaining walls using its blocks. Stone Strong offers just 2 versions, 0.6 and 2.2 square meters. They weigh 726 and 2,722 kilograms respectively. Gravel or soil can be used for filling. It's asserted that walls built with Stone Strong can be taller without soil anchors or geogrid compared to competing blocks. Stone Strong is recommended for various applications, from bank reinforcement to roadway widening. The final product in our selection is a retaining wall made of cement bags. It's not a simple task to build it, as each bag can weigh about 50 kilograms. Without proper equipment or enough help, it can be quite challenging. However, there are plenty of wall building instructions available online to guide you through the process. One important step is the curing phase, which may take up to 2 days. In a video demonstration, the expert decided to err on the side of caution and allowed his bags to cure throughout the winter. Do you think he'll remove the packaging himself or let nature take its course?